Well, we're right here in the middle of the Summer Slam, and as always, it's 187 degrees in the shade, about 98% humidity. But there's work to do. We got food plots to still get in. We got to get shield planted to screen our plots and create some barriers and funnels and all those things. Working mineral, taking care of landowners with their property and their what we do for them to keep our hunting rights in place. And when you do all that, you're going to have some maintenance or some repairs to do. So today we've got a power steering line that's gone out, and we're going to replace that and get back to work, get back to bush hogging. So it's going to take a few minutes and knock this out and get back on the road. All right, so what we're going to do is go ahead on that power steering line that we replaced. It's got air in it. You got to get that air out. So we're just going to crack that open on the end up next to the cylinder. We've tightened it up on the end that's coming out of the pump line, but we're going to take the far end of the line where the oil's coming through. We're going to take that steering wheel and manipulate it to make the bubbly oil, you'll see it white looking, come out of that line, and then we'll go back the other way a little bit, and then we'll kind of just bump it. You don't have to just pull it over, just kind of bump it and get a little oil out and go back and pump it a little. You keep doing that until the oil kind of runs clear. Don't do it a whole lot because you'll run all your oil out of your pump. And then once you get it clear, cut the tractor off, go ahead and tighten your line up, refill your power steering pump, put your plug back in, your power steering pump, and you're ready to go. If you ever have to change a power steering line, brake line, any kind of pressure line, it's always a good idea to leave it a little bit cracked and get that air out of there. Bleed that line real good so you have pure hydraulic fluid running through there, or power steering fluid, or whatever that may be. So that's what we're fixing to do, and then we'll be back on the road. Back in business.